Hi friends, here again, Enrique76, here with another unboxing review, LED desk lamp from Tulur store. Let's open the box. Includes 2-in-1 large double head desk lamp with a clamp and the base and the remote control. This is a 27-inch extra long, 5 color temperatures, more bright, and even you can pull less bright. "30 minutes and 60 minutes timer. Used for 2 screens. Okay, you have computers or laptops. You can use the buttons here to adjust or the remote control. Friends, this is good when you use the computer for long hours. The uniform light reduces glare to protect your eyes. You put the clamp here to connect the lamp. This is how you type from here. This is easy to take off. And you can put it in the base. This is heavy. This is why they don't fall. Okay, put in here. And you can put any part you want in the base or in the clamp. For me, it's easy to use the base because you can move anywhere from the table. So you can go over here, the more close, anywhere here. Friends, you can stretch the light and you can put in this position too. Click in the link below to order. And friends, thank you for the support, Enrique76, and see you in another video.